Hey guys, get your wine ready because today we're making a summer fruit sangria cake. Now this makes the perfect dessert to bring to any dinner party and is guaranteed that everybody is gonna go crazy. Okay guys, so add to your mixer 6 room temperature eggs with 1 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. You're gonna whip this up for a full 10 minutes until the eggs have tripled in volume. If you're new here on my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. I post new videos weekly. Now once you have this nice thick whipped egg, sift into the bowl 1 cup of flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Using a whisk, you're gonna fold in these sifted dry ingredients, carefully breaking up and incorporating in that flour. This sponge cake is the absolute best. It's gonna nicely soak up all of that delicious sangria and all the natural juices from the fruits. You're gonna pour this into a prepared pan and bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Now onto the sangria, add to a pitcher the wine and some fruits. If you guys haven't checked it out already, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Isabella's Quick Recipes, where you'll see daily stories and food vlogs along with notifications on upcoming videos. Allow the sangria to chill while we move along and prepare the frosting. To a small pot, add a cup of raspberries and 1/3 cup of sugar. You're gonna simmer this for 10 minutes until the tart raspberries become a sweet sauce. Place it to the side to cool, and in another bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, some more vanilla extract, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. You're gonna whip this on high until stiff peaks form, then go ahead and place this bowl to the side with the raspberries. Finish up this frosting by beating up 8 ounces of cream cheese, and once it's nice and broken down, you're gonna add 1 cup of melted white chocolate chips. This frosting, you guys, is by far the star of this cake. It's like nothing you've ever tried before. You're gonna wrap up by incorporating in that freshly made whipped cream and the fully cold strained raspberries. You're gonna fold everything together, and if you like, add a drop or 2 of some red and orange food coloring, which gives this cake a pleasant sorbet-like color. It's now time to assemble the cake. I have the fully cold sponge cake here, and I'm gonna pour some of that sangria to nicely penetrate all over the surface. Oh my goodness, you guys. This cake, it really reminded me of one of those Italian rum cakes, you know, with the fresh whipped cream and the sponge cake. But the only difference is that it's really kicked up a notch here with this wonderful fresh fruits. You're gonna add whichever varieties you like. If you're wondering why I'm adding the fruit under the frosting, is because as this cake sits, all the heavenly natural juices of the fresh fruit get released and soaked up into the sponge. So with the compliments of that sangria, this flavor explosion truly is gonna blow everybody away. Top it off with the best frosting in the world and decorate it with any extra fruit that you have. This cake only gets better as it chills in the fridge thanks to the sturdy texture of that sponge cake that absorbs all of that juicy liquid. The stabilized raspberry whipped cream keeps its light and airy structure from the beaten cream cheese and that milky sweet white chocolate. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.